I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is a part of my Spring Forward series 2021. This is my first spring video of 2021. So let's get ready to create. During my Spring Forward series, I'll be giving you spring themed DIYs every week for the next 3 weeks. So in today's video, I decided to do my first official spring video with a spring DIY wall decor. Alright, I have my vinyl here that I've already printed off with my Cricut Joy. I have a cute little phrase with some art. If you do not have a Cricut Joy, you can also find nice stickers and embellishments from Dollar Tree that you could add to your wall decor. Also, I've really been enjoying my Cricut Joy. It's a great piece to have for any DIYer, and I am learning every day how to do all of the different aspects of the Cricut Joy. So right now I am weeding or tweeting, however you may say it, each part of the vinyl, and I'm getting ready to apply the vinyl to my wood plank. So pretty much I'm using all of the items that was included in the wood plank for this DIY. So I'm taking my little scraper and I'm going to scrape across a few times. This is real new to me, everybody, and it's going to take me a few minutes to get this vinyl together and actually applied to the board itself, because using vinyl is very not really time consuming, but it takes a lot to get everything off if you're not used to doing it. And I am so new to this. So I finally got it off and I'm going to apply my vinyl to my board. I am using removable vinyl just in case if I want to switch out the actual phrase or the decor itself and the colors. So this vinyl here is removable.
Think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
Now I'm trying to figure out where I would like my glass jar to be placed on the board. I am kind of like readjusting everything to see which area will look the best.
Say that I'm happy for the two of you. You wanna be friends, but I don't think I can. But I wanna be happy, happy for always think of you when spring comes.
I know there was a step or two that was missed. I thought my camera was actually on, but it was not. So I'm getting ready to show you all the lost footage that was not previously recorded. So pretty much I'm going to show you how I apply the twine to the bottom of the jar. You just take some thin jute twine and apply slowly around the bottom with a little bit of hot glue. So I'm just going to do a few wraps around the bottom. And then once you do that, you will apply your hot glue to the back. Then you will take this nice white garland right here that I also got from Dollar Tree and this thicker jute string, and you will apply a simple piece to the top of the bottle with hot glue. This is the finished product of this beautiful wall decor. It looks so good, and I love the fact that I use Dollar Tree products to create it. And I also use some recycle items. Also, I use the recycled apple juice jar, and it just looks so stunning and high end. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.
I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid of